Hey guys, I'm Daniel Stewart. I'm the Director of Engineering at Summit Packaging. I oversee the design, build, and integration of all of our custom packaging machinery. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 packaging automation trends that we see emerging in 2023 and beyond. So let's dive right in. Packaging automation trend number 1 is collaborative robots. Collaborative robots are the number 1 trend in packaging automation right now for many reasons. A few of those reasons are flexibility, safety, cost effectiveness, improved productivity, as well as ease of use. Before we go too much deeper, here's a quick Cobot definition. A collaborative robot, or for short Cobot, is a type of industrial robot that's designed to work safely alongside humans in a shared workspace. Traditional industrial robots operate behind safety barriers to prevent any human contact, whereas collaborative robots don't need any of those traditional safety barriers to be able to work next to humans. When our customers first hear about collaborative robots, they often ask about cobots versus robots. In other words, how are cobots different? Or what are cobots' advantages? So let's break it down. Cobots are equipped with advanced sensors and software which allow them to detect and respond to human presence, movement, and touch. For example, many collaborative robots slow down when a human is within certain vicinity so that if contact is made, there's very little chance to be hurt. The servo motors and software on the robot arms are specially tuned to sense when something is touching them, and they'll stop motion so as to not hurt the human. So here are a few applications that have been really popular with our customers. In the world of packaging, cobots can package items into cases, serve as more of a compact system for box forming, or do super smart labeling application, for example. We've designed systems where one collaborative robot handles multiple tasks as well, such as packaging of products into boxes, as well as palletizing products once that box is filled. Another example is pick and place. Cobots can be used for picking and placing items in various applications. For example, placing items from one location onto a conveyor belt to be processed downstream. A third example would be assembly. For more industrial applications or before packaging, cobots can be utilized to assemble products such as inserting components, screwing down items, riveting, or attaching parts. The fourth example would be inspection. Cobots can oftentimes have far higher accuracy in checking the quality of parts, finding defects, and verifying the quality of products. We can mount cameras, for instance, to the end of a robot arm alongside grippers so that the robot can check the quality of the product before it picks it up. Packaging automation trend number 2 that we should all keep our eyes on are vision systems. See what I did there? A vision system is a technology that utilizes cameras, sensors, and software to inspect or analyze products or packages on a manufacturing or production line. Vision systems can be divided up into 2 parts, the first part being the sensor or the camera, and the second part being the algorithmic processing of captured images via software. A few of the top vision systems for packaging are Keyence, Cognex, A.M.R.s, among others. A vision system can be used at many different stages throughout a production line. For example, inspecting raw materials, checking that all components have been correctly assembled, checking that there are enough products packaged into a corrugated case. In automated processes, vision systems are highly valuable because they often take away the human error and ensure that the product characteristics are checked before the product is shipped out the door. Summit can integrate vision systems at any point in a process, whether it be inspecting raw materials or products as they're moving along a conveyor, to inspecting a finished box or a full pallet at the end of the line. Packaging automation trend number 3 is AMRs, or autonomous mobile robots. So what are autonomous mobile robots? AMRs are a type of mobile robot that can navigate and operate autonomously in a production environment. In basic terms, an A.M.R. is just a robot on wheels that completes whatever task you need it to do. A lot of people want to know how autonomous mobile robots work. Here's how. They utilize a suite of sensors to collect info about their environment and have powerful computing and decision-making capabilities, which allow them to navigate in dynamic and unstructured environments. Algorithms within the A.M.R.s computer allows for logic and decision-making to happen when they're faced with a specific task. A.M.R.s are sometimes confused with AGVs, automated guided vehicles, or AGV robots, because they're very similar. But when it comes to A.M.R.s versus AGVs, the main difference is the level of flexibility and adaptability. AGVs have been around for a lot longer, whereas A.M.R.s are the new kid on the block. AGVs are designed for very repetitive tasks, such as following a line of magnetic tape from one end of a factory to the other, whereas A.M.R.s can typically navigate obstacles, create their own paths, and change behavior based upon changes in its environment or inputs. Here's how A.M.R.s are already changing packaging automation. At Summit Packaging, a lot of our customers are looking for more flexibility within their facilities and production lines. Sometimes designing massive conveyor lines for a building is far more costly, complex, and a longer time frame versus just implementing or utilizing A.M.R.s. Packaging automation trend number 4 is Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0, also known as smart factories or the fourth industrial revolution, refers to production facilities or factories that have integrated advanced technologies. Some of these cutting-edge technologies include Internet of Things, or IoT, AI, big data, and robotics, all working together to increase productivity, tracking capabilities, and flexibility. Let me give you some key elements of Industry 4.0. Many of these technologies have sprouted up over the years at separate points, but putting them all together is what is creating the revolution. And some of these key elements include interconnectivity, meaning that all machines and systems are all connected to each other and to the internet. This enables real-time data monitoring and communication. In a packaging line, you could see the whole picture of your production line and have the ability to see exactly where something is going wrong or having reduced efficiencies. Digitization is packaging processes are digitized using software and sensors to monitor and control machines and products. Another is automation. Machines, robots, and systems can operate with minimal human interaction, performing a huge variety of tasks within your production facility. Data analytics. This is very similar to digitization, but it involves the collection of data at each point in your process from machines, sensors, and other sources. This data is then analyzed using AI or machine learning algorithms to identify patterns, optimize processes, and predict when failures might occur. Data is a powerful thing. Flexibility. Smart packaging facilities are able to quickly adapt to changes in demand or product configuration using modular packaging lines or lean and agile manufacturing methods. If you're wondering about Industry 4.0 implementation in your packaging facility, you'd probably like a partner. Summit Packaging's team has the knowledge and expertise to implement these technologies to help our customers make the right decisions to maximize their production efficiency, reduce cost, as well as improve product quality. Well, there you have it. The top 4 trends in packaging automation. If you made it this far in the video, you're either AI and you're very naturally interested in automation, or you're a person who is wondering how to best adapt their operation to tomorrow's opportunities and challenges. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications so that we can give you more great content just like this. Or better yet, reach out personally. We'd love to help.